Okay, so let's get on to adding an offer. Now, offers are very similar to landers, but like I said in an earlier video, they can convert. So typically they will be pages that either you don't control, so maybe they come from an affiliate network or advertiser, in a case where you're running things on commission or being an affiliate marketer, or if you're a product owner, these will be the pages in your actual flow or your sales flow that can convert and should have a revenue associated with them. So there's an important distinction to make. A lander can have a click-through and can operate in the same way as an offer, but if you want a page to have the ability to convert and have some revenue associated with it, then it needs to be an offer. Okay, so I'm going to put some generic offer here. For the category, this is just, again, categorization for the sake of keeping the table organized, so that's up to you. For the URL, this could be some affiliate network, and they might have some parameter like affiliate equals 1, 2, 3, 4, and offer equals some other number. And that might be the base URL that you get from some affiliate network, right? Now, default payout is exactly that. It's just the default payout you want to be associated with the offer. So if a conversion happens, it will attribute $5 of revenue to that actual conversion. And if you pass an actual payout in the postback URL or any sort of tracking method, then it will just override this default. Now, as for URL tokens, same as with landers, you can use this to insert data here. And now look down the bottom here. Note that it's telling me the offer source's sub-ID. So I have the offer source listed here. I only have one. And it's reminding me that for that specific offer source, this is what I should be passing Funnelflux's hit ID under. So I'm going to go here and add and s2 equals, and then I'm going to insert the hit ID here. So this part here is the most important part of this offer URL, which will allow postback conversion tracking to work. So again, the offer source, the configuration that I have made there, tells me that I'm going to pass hit ID under S2, so I'm going to manually add that and make sure it's there. And then for convenience, based on the offer source that I'm using, it's telling me what postback URL I should use, just so that it makes it easy for me to copy and paste that to the affiliate network or advertiser when I'm setting this up. Okay, as for the redirect mode, typically use 301 or 307. If you're wanting to obscure referrers, which in most cases would mean making it less obvious what your landing page URLs are, if the people are coming from landers, then you might want to use Ultimate Beta Refresh. And in more advanced cases, you might want to use Fluxify, which again will be handled in a separate video. So for now, I'd recommend just using 301. So again, just put your URL here. Make sure to pass the hit ID using this token to your network if you're wanting to actually get postback URL tracking working. If you're using iframes or image pixels for tracking, you don't actually need to put the hit ID in them, but you can pass hit ID to your network and dynamically insert that hit ID into things like iframes if you want to, as a way of just making it that much more precise and less prone to errors or issues. But otherwise, that's all you really need to do for setting up offers. And then when you're actually creating a campaign and building a funnel, all of the offers in your Funnelflux system and all of the landers, they'll all be available there for you to add to the actual funnel diagram. And we'll go over that in an upcoming video about getting started with your first campaign and getting and diving into that campaign creation and that funnel creation. That's where you'll really start to put the pieces together with landers and offers and so on. Okay, so that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.